Gold is making new highs, breaking records nearly every session. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is stuck. The story everyone believes is simple. When gold tops, money rotates into crypto. That belief is costing traders a lot of money. Not because it's wrong, but because it's early, in the wrong environment. Today, we are dissecting what I call the rotation trap. Why gold is flying, why Bitcoin is waiting, and what actually signals when the real rotation begins. First, you have to understand the environment. Capital flows into gold for one reason: fear, geopolitical tension, central bank buying, currency debasement. Gold is the ultimate risk-off asset. Now, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin may be marketed as digital gold, but capital still treats it as a risk asset. It thrives on liquidity and optimism. Right now, the market is fearful. That's why money is running to safety, not speculation. Expecting Bitcoin to pump just because gold is up is like expecting a fire to start while it's raining. So, what should you watch? Not the dollar chart. If you want to time capital rotation, you need to watch relative strength, specifically the BTC to gold ratio. Look at the structure. While Bitcoin looks stable in dollars, against gold, it has been bleeding. Lower highs, lower lows. This is why Bitcoin can feel stable in fiat, while silently losing ground where it actually matters. Cheap can always get cheaper. Institutional capital watches this chart. As long as this ratio trends down, the rotation is just a narrative, not reality. So when does the game change? Not when gold tops, not when RSI flashes oversold. The shift begins when relative strength changes, when BTC stops making lower lows against gold, when it holds a higher low, when liquidity starts flowing into risk, not just out of safety. Capital rotation is a process, not a reaction. Retail traders try to front-run it and get liquidated. Professionals wait for confirmation, then size up, after the structure proves itself. Gold making new highs is not a buy signal for Bitcoin, it's a warning. Respect the trend, respect the flow. Don't force the trade that isn't there. When the structure breaks, the BTC gold ratio will tell you, not me, the chart. Until then, patience is your edge. Market signals,